show you a website that lets you get cash back on your online purchases. It's called Quidco, and right now if you sign up using the link below, you'll get an extra £5 cash back once you've earned £5 in your account. So I'm going to show you some of the offers first, if the computer will let me. So today, for example, you can get a £5 bonus if you spend £50 at Curry's PC World. So if you were going to be buying something from Curry's, you might as well get an extra £5 in your account. A lot of these are for like a limited time only, so these are 24 hours and 48 hours. But I mean, you can see you can get a lot of cash back if you sign up for super fast fibre for 12 months. So at the top there's the different categories, so you can earn like cash back for travel, insurance, finance, all these sort of things. And in Show More it lets you have other categories like pets and food and drink, that kind of thing. Another interesting bit is in the Compare. You can get a lot of money back if you're buying insurance, so if you get the quote and purchase through Quidco, then you're going to get some cash back as well. If we go into my account summary, so this is where you track your payments, and the exciting bit is if you go into payments here, you can get your cash back paid to you by PayPal or bank transfer, or if you sign up for one of these, you get an extra bonus. So for example, Red Letter Days at the moment, you're getting a 20% top-up bonus. At the moment, if you refer a friend or if you use the link below, you're going to get £5 and your friend gets £5 as well. So if you sign up using the link below, that's what you'll get.